mayam, Capex Beauty da amu hana welcome tawzari. Ngasigi share tawzari ba product se foundation ne. Ado ngasigi foundation ani se medium coverage foundation ngakta ne. Ngasigi foundation ani makse normal to oily skin oibana hena chanagani na hana thamjage. Ahanbagi foundation se Maybelline gi Fit Me foundation ne. Mase normal to oily skin gine na magi bottle sida adum lakpane. Sigi bottle se glass obanina akoina lairiba foundation shade to magi manungda dum ubanina it's easy to choose our foundation color. Next is a L'Oreal gi Infallible Pro Matte 24-hour wear foundation dune. Sigi foundation gi formula se oil control yawena dum ibene so oily skin oibagidi I think this will suit very well. Ngasigi foundation ani se primer tawraga I demonstration macha amtang uchage. Maybelline gi Fit Me foundation se magi consistency se adum thick oye but it's not very thick. Aduma se easy to blend su oye and then akoina use tawba kan it's easy to use whether you use a brush or a sponge. Aduma se dry down tawur kanda matte oye. Haidi ma se matte oye na hai taraga su pura matte oraga dry oina ubudo adudi ude akoigi skin normal se aduma skin like finish ama phajana piye dum. Si foundation se pura dry down tawur kanda akoigi skin se pura natural finish ama pibata natana mase akoi kangra kanda foundation gi machu hongba oxidation do adududi yam kana leibo oide aina seasonal badadi which I really like. Haidi sometimes foundation je kangra kanda machu hongak pa leibo adudi taude so akoina leiriba machu sega akoina ngasai taiba loira kanda tawrakadoy machu duga it's quite chapmana bado adumaina dum oye so I really like this foundation. Next L'Oreal gi Infallible 24-hour foundation se masu oil free ne aduga moi tubes da iba air light aduga demi matte finish to loinamak chomme sigi foundation sida mase thick consistency oye ngasai gi Maybelline gi do adumaina adudagi di kitang hena thick oye aduma se su easy to blend oye aduga easy to use haidi brush or sponge either way. Sigi foundation se dry down to uraganda masu matte oye. Sigi foundation se as a medium coverage foundation it's a very good option. Koina mase taiba kanda khoi skin sida am cakey oiba feeling natraga pot yam heavy oiba feeling do adudi su pp de masu khoi skin like finish do adum pie. Sigi foundation se sigi negative point ama point out to haitardi magi oxidation se kitang hele as compared to the Maybelline one. Haidi akoina taiba loiraga mas dry down tawgi pa kanda akoina lairiba machu duga akoi skin da lai machu duga kitang khene so please be careful when you buy. Yam kana khena buti nate but kitang khakti khena rakani dry down tawkhra kanda. Any foundation phaba haise akoina concealer ga apply to kanda will know which one is the better one. Maybelline gi side sida when I apply a concealer masayam easily blendable oy haidi akoi flakiness dryness kumba oiba adudo kemta aduga fazana blendable oye yam seamless finish ama pa so it's very nice. Somgi L'Oreal gi side se su even though L'Oreal gi foundation and Maybelline gi concealer oy targa so they're blending seamlessly blend to the kemta problem late it's very easy to use. Akoina si ani se use to bukanda there's no difficulty dryness or ba flakiness or ba adugumba do kemta late. Next foundation ani sigi coverage to ay mayam da kitang uchage. I'll just try a small brow pencil. Sigi brown pencil se layer kayada cover tawba natraga kyam hena cover tawdo ay adudo uchage. Ahanbada ay Maybelline se pump ama haidi layer ama han uchage. Magi coverage se it's pretty good. Haidi I use a sponge. If you use a brush or kutna season na targadi it'll give you better coverage. 3 layers today I think it covered really well. Next L'Oreal gi se I'll take a squeeze. Aduga masu same sponge tuna ay layer amtang uchage. Magi first layer today it's almost similar to the Maybelline one coverage wise. Second layer da L'Oreal gi se I think it covered as much as 3 layers of Maybelline. Ngasigi foundation ani se sigi maragta favorite nama choose to haise it's very difficult. Haidi mabani similar oiba performance pa coverage adigi blendable easy to use buildable oiba it's almost everything is similar but point macha am the khetnari singa saigi L'Oreal gi oxidation tawbudo adida kitang khetnai aduga ngasigi foundation ani makse akhoi gi skin da yam luminous natraga dewy look pamba mi gidi I don't think this is the right choice because mabani mak pura matte oye. Maybelline and L'Oreal si ani maki foundation gi color range to yam vast oibani so most skin tones na adum phangani na khalle moi colors to normal day to day wear gi di I think these two foundation are very good options haide affordable su oye aduga lightweight su oibani ne yam heavy feeling do pi de so they're very good options ngasi gi di sida losin jarage mathang da full coverage foundation amuk share tawjarake thank you bye